In this Sports Site Pro review, I'm going to be showing you an app that's going to create self-updating sports news websites with built-in Amazon Store monetization in about 60 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Sports Site Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's go over and take a look at the sales page here together. It says one-click app auto-generates a self-updating sports news website with a built-in done-for-you Amazon store preloaded with sports products in less than 60 seconds. It instantly adds news from 900 plus football, soccer, 372 plus basketball, hockey, tennis, cricket cups, and all more inside of your websites. AI powered, you can target all these different sports fans, get started immediately. You can pay once and you can set profit forever from this. Of course, your profits are going to vary. 100% hosted on their cloud server and optimized for mobile usage for people checking scores and stuff on their phone. So if you don't watch sports yourself, or maybe you do watch sports, you know how people can be so fanatic about it. You probably have a sports fanatic in your life. Maybe it's you, where people are always checking out the different sports, always like the scores, always looking for different news on it. Now you can tap into that with your own site that self-updates for you. You can log into the app, you can watch as the app instantly creates your automated site for you, and then it's going to generate millions of visitors. Probably not going to generate millions of visitors, but you will be creating something of value that will help people to actually get the information that they want, and you can monetize that in the process here. So you can see here it says millions of visitors every month for these different websites. So people are always looking for sports news and looking for them online. And there's people advertising to these people as well. So there's money to be made in advertising. People selling things like shirts and footballs and soccer balls and all these different things that people are. There's like monetization for it as well here. So I'm going to scroll down here. You can look at the sales page yourself when you come over to it, but it's really long. If you purchase, you're going to get access to the software. You get access to all the different the banner ad placement technology. You can earn commissions as an affiliate marketer. You get the free hosting and the domain included with this as well. All this for a one-time price. One thing I will show you though is when you come to this page, make sure that you move your mouse away, and most likely a discount will pop up here and you can get it at a lower price. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get that lowest price, so please hit that like button. Okay, I'm going to go over and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to show you the backend area, a real site, all the OTOs and discounts.
Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you tap into a pool of 3.5 billion sports fans across 200 countries. You see, some forms of sports are like a religion in countries around the world. For example, soccer or football is king in virtually all of Europe, South America, Africa, the Middle East, Central America, and Asia. Football, or soccer, has roughly 3.5 billion fans worldwide, and around 250 million players across 200 countries around the world. Meanwhile, India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh count cricket as their favorite sport. Cricket has 2.5 billion fans. Not to mention American football, ice hockey, baseball, basketball, tennis. They have huge fans around the world. What if you have the power to engage these billions of fans and convert them into paying customers completely hands-free? And another raging trend is the rapid growth in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a global industry worth well over $12 billion, and the affiliate marketing networks carried out more than 170 million transactions worldwide. Can you imagine the profit potential if you combine them both? The sports industry and affiliate marketing? I know the results were going to be absolutely mind-blowing, but we need to accept the truth. Creating a sport affiliate website is a daunting task because it takes time to build a site from scratch. You need to spend huge money on hosting, domain, freelancers, writing blog posts. It requires complicated web design skills. It needs huge research time plus working time to collect sports news plus sports events to your site. Even writing relevant blog posts need an army of employees to do. What if there's a brand new, groundbreaking software that creates a full-blown, ready-to-profit, self-updating sports news website in just a click? It's all thanks to SportsSite Pro app. 1. ClickApp auto-creates a self-updating sports news website with a built-in, done-for-you Amazon store, preloaded with sports products in less than 60 seconds. Instantly add news from 900 plus football, 372 basketball, 255 hockey, 1368 tennis, 580 cricket leagues and cups, plus 8,000 plus sports products in multiple niches in just a click. Everything is automatically embedded with your affiliate link. Start your own sports news website in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into SportsSite Pro cloud-based app. Step 2. Watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated sports news website loaded with news from 900 football, 372 basketball, 255 hockey, 1368 tennis, 580 cricket leagues and cups, plus 8,000 plus sports products in multiple niches in less than 60 seconds. Step 3. Generate millions of visitors every month and send them to your built-in DFY Amazon store. Watch your sales and conversions skyrocket. Everything is automatically embedded with the affiliate link, so we get paid instantly. After you pick up your copy of SportsSite Pro, you can have a fully functional sports news website loaded with news from 900 football, 372 basketball, 255 hockey, 1368 tennis, 580 cricket leagues and cups, plus 8,000 sports products and high-quality content that's optimized for search engine rankings. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then SportsSite Pro is the shortcut you've been searching for. It's only fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event that you don't make unprecedented profits with sports affiliate marketing for a cost equivalent to your morning coffee and bagels, then we assure you a complete refund. Simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. SportsSite Pro will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get SportsSite Pro for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.
So we're back. So this is an actual site created with the software. So you can actually see what it looks like here. All this different news, all these different scores, all this different monetization. When people buy this stuff, you get an affiliate commission for it. Now, the software, it just allows you to use this thing where you can actually go in here and you can have all your different sites set up here, all your different domains. You can manage all your advertising in one back-end area. There are multiple upgrades. So the first one here that you're going to see, you can get unlimited reseller license. You can create unlimited stores, unlimited blog posts, and add unlimited Amazon products to it as well. So you can get that one here, but make sure you move your mouse away because you can get a discounted price. Again, I make less money by putting this out to you, so please hit that like button. It really helps. Next thing here, you can it says you can double or triple your passive income with this one. So this is some kind of an extra upgrade for this. Let's see exactly what this is. It's going to enable auto pop-ups. It's going to give you 100 targeted sports content here, so you can actually add like these blog posts and stuff and push notifications. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. The next one here, it's traffic. So if you want to get traffic to it, you can get this one. You can get a $10 discount by moving your mouse away. The next one here is done for you. They'll set it up for you. You can get a $30 discount if you move your mouse away. And the last one here is resell rights. You can actually sell these accounts to people, move your mouse away, get a $100 discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about SportsSite Pro and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, they make it so that it sounds like it's so easy and you're going to make a lot of money with it automatically. It's not, that's not going to happen. You will need to send traffic to this. So you're going to need to share this on places like forums and online and social media in order to drive traffic to your site. What do I like about it? That being said, sports like enthusiasts are everywhere. It's such a huge niche. If you can just get a very small audience coming back to your site over and over again to check scores and whatnot, then you can make a lot of passive income from that. If this is something that you'd like to do and you don't want to set up a WordPress website or a custom domain, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at SportsSite Pro, go ahead and click that link below. And also make sure that you like and subscribe to this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.